Have you ever rummaged for outlets in a tiny cruise cabin only to find them blocked, or worse, there's not enough? This little disc made all the difference. It has a retractable 5-foot cord, so it takes up such little space in your luggage. It's got 3 regular outlets, 2 USB-A and 1 USB-C, which means you can charge up to 6 devices at once. The plug itself is also pretty flat and it fits right into the outlet easily. This is also great for extending your outlets at home because it has a wall mounting feature. We love this little outlet extender. It was a total lifesaver on our cruise and we plan to bring it on future cruises.